to death, like a lit cigarette. Took my last breath, like the smoke from my lips. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but my knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but my makeup's ruined, and now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear, but baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I tried to be kind, but all just hate. Some that die wearing a fake smile. The joke's on you. My heart's gone bad, now it won't be for you. You had your laugh, now I won't play the fool. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but I'm black and blue from bleeding for you. You struck the match, burned me out so fast. Look what we had, now it's turned to ash. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but my makeup's ruined, and now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear, but baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I tried to be kind, but all just hate. Some that die wearing a fake smile. The joke's on you.
This dance is called Fake Smile, choreographed by Guillaume and Jannie Tofte Andersen. It's a 48 count, 2-wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. This one restart in the stance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, forward, forward, pivot half turn to your right, forward, side, kick to the left diagonal, step down, cross, quarter turn to your right, stepping back, continue quarter turn to your right on your left foot, roundel your right foot, side, now you're facing 12 o'clock, back rock, recover, side, behind, side, cross. Section 2, quarter turn to your left, stepping forward, pencil half turn to your left, facing 3, step, lock, step, chase, full turn, step, pivot half turn to your right, half turn to your right, stepping back, quarter turn to your right to 6 o'clock, step right foot to the side, sway to your right, left, side, back rock, recover, side, back rock, recover. Section 3, quarter turn to your right, forward, sweep your left, facing 9, diamond 3, ace turn to your left, cross, 1 ace turn to your left, back, back, facing 7:30, back, 1 ace turn to your left, side, 1 ace turn to your left, forward, forward, hit your right, now you're facing 4:30. Coaster, step, chase half turn, step, pivot half turn to your right, forward, now you're facing 10:30. Section forward, step right foot forward, snap fingers, right, left, step left foot forward, cross your right arm on your chest, left arm on your chest. Step forward, pivot half turn to your left, keep your weight on your right foot, drop your right hand, drop your left hand. Now you're facing 4:30. Coaster, step, forward, sweep your left, forward, sweep your right, forward, sweep your left, make a 1 ace into your right, square up to 6, cross, side. Section 5, back rock, recover, wind to your left, side, behind, side, cross, side. Back rock, recover, wind to your right, side, behind, side, cross. Last section, quarter turn to your left, back rock, recover. Half turn to your right, back rock, recover. Quarter turn to your left, side, back, sweep your right, back, sweep your left, back and pop your right knee up, forward, together. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 40 counts with step change, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with counts, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end of 38 count. Now change the step to step left foot back, pop your right knee up, 7, then do forward together, 8. Now you're facing 12, restart the dance. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.